Children!
Hello, Uncle Chidebere.
Today we are doing question and answer. Book.
Akoko.
Give me a book.
Akoko.
Please give me a book.
Akoko.
My friend, please give me a book.
Akoko.
Brother or sister, please give me a book. Ndewo Igbo maka afambu Chidebere ogadirigema. It shall be well with you. Welcome to New Generation Igbo. Today we are going to be learning an Igbo word to make 5-word sentence. Akwụkwọ book.
Akwụkwọ book.
Nyem akwụkwọ, give me a book.
Nyem akwụkwọ, give me a book.
Biko nyem akwụkwọ, please give me a book.
Biko nyem akwụkwọ, please give me a book.
Enyim biko nyem akwụkwọ, my friend, please give me a book.
Enyim biko nyem akwụkwọ, my friend, please give me a book.
Nwannem biko nyem akwụkwọ gị, brother or sister, please give me your book.
Nwannem biko nyem akwụkwọ gị, brother or sister, please give me a book.
Ego, let's recap it again. Akwụkwọ book.
Akwụkwọ book.
Nyem akwụkwọ, give me a book.
Nyem akwụkwọ, give me a book.
Biko nyem akwụkwọ, please give me a book.
Biko nyem akwụkwọ, please give me a book.
Enyim biko nyem akwụkwọ, my friend, please give me a book.
Enyim biko nyem akwụkwọ, my friend, please give me a book.
Nwannem biko nyem akwụkwọ gị, brother or sister, please give me your book.
Nwannem biko nyem akwụkwọ gị, brother or sister, please give me a book.
Now we are moving on to money. Ego, money.
Ego, money.
Nyem ego, give me money.
Nyem ego, give me money.
Biko nyem ego, please give me money.
Biko nyem ego, please give me money.
Enyim biko nyem ego, my friend, please give me money.
Enyim biko nyem ego, my friend, please give me money.
Nwanne biko nyem ego, my brother or sister, please give me my money.
Nwannem biko nyem ego, my brother or sister, please give me my money.
Let's recap it again. Ego, money.
Ego, money.
Nyem ego, give me money.
Nyem ego, give me money.
Biko nyem ego, please give me money.
Biko nyem ego, please give me money.
Enyim biko nyem ego, my friend, please give me money.
Enyim biko nyem ego, my friend, please give me money.
Nwanne biko nyem ego, my brother or sister, please give me my money.
Nwannem biko nyem ego, my brother or sister, please give me my money.
Imeela ka ọ dị, jisike na-asụ Igbo. Like, share and subscribe. Igbo ọmaka.